So andito naman tayo sa kabilang side. We just have to make sure to get yung bakal. There are two types of car seat na mabibili sa market. Let me just open the other door para kita nyo ako. Auto Body, welcome to another video, and today this is going to be a quick video. I'm just gonna show you how to install a car seat sa mga kotse natin. As you know naman, there's been a recent law about the government requiring its citizen to have a car seat installed, especially for kids ages 12 and below. So for this video, I'm just gonna show you how to install one inside the car. So sa coming weekend, we have a planned road trip kasama yung kids. So kailangan natin mag-install because as you know naman, number one priority should be the safety of passengers. So we have here yung binili kong car seat 2 years ago for my baby. I think this one is for ages 2 and up, siguro hanggang mga 5 years old or 4 years old kasya dito. So ikakabit natin siya. So there are two types of car seat na mabibili sa market. Number one is yung kinakabit using the seat belt, and the other one is yung kinakabit using yung tinatawag nilang Isofix. So ito siya. So basically yung Isofix is a hook inside dito sa loob ng, I don't know if you can see it, pero sa loob ng seat siya. So ihuhook mo lang siya and then nakafix na siya doon. Kaya Isofix. What we have is yung seat belt type. Kaya ito yung binili ko kasi mas mura to noong time na yun. So ayun, kaya ako siya binili. Let me just open the other door para kita nyo ako. So ayan. First things first, hihigitin mo lang tong seat belt as long as you can. Ayun. Ito na yung limit niya. And then, supposedly, ang gagawin mo is papadaanin mo tong belt dito and dito sa likod ng car seat. So subukan natin. So higitin mo lang siya and then abangan mo sa kabilang dulo, if only I can. Ayun, finally. So nakuha ko na yung kabilang dulo. Just have to make sure that this one goes inside the hook. Ayan. So andito naman tayo sa kabilang side. We just have to make sure to get yung bakal para mailak dito sa kabilang side. Again, para dun sa mga medyo maliit yung kamay, madali lang sa inyo to. So kaya lang ako nahirapan kasi malaki yung kamay ko. So ayan, nakaipit na din siya dito. So para ka lang naglagay talaga ng seat belt. And then once that's done, kailangan mong bawiin to. Diba hinikit mo siya kanina? So yung seatbelt dito, kailangan mo siyang bawiin to make sure na hindi nagagalaw tong car seat kahit anong uga. So that means it's already secure. So kung sakasakaling event na may collision, hindi tatalbog si baby. And si baby, meron na siyang sariling seatbelt. And yung pag-uninstall naman, same thing lang, para ka nagtatanggal ng seatbelt. just press that and then tanggalin mo lahat. So yun lang. Again, thank you for watching. I hope may natutunan kayo somehow dito sa video na to. Until the next video, this is your Autobody. Bye!